Hello, everyone. This is Carolyn. Happy weekend. So, I am just here relaxing. As I explained before, I am dealing with some medical issues and I am not able to move at the speed I was moving at or kind of do like any heavy lifting right now. So I decided to get in our crafting streets to see what's been going on, what's popular, what's popping. And as you know, AI has been taking off, right? So I'm loving what I'm seeing so far as with the AI, but I am making this video as a teaching moment because as you can see, I did a box, a phone box, and I did a gift bag, right? This image is very beautiful, very vibrant, very detailed. However, there is something wrong with this image. And this is why it is important. If you are doing AI work, you still have to go over the work. So I'm going to bring my assistant in, Nevaeh, and she is going to have to point out what is wrong with this image. So I have two side by sides, right? I have the box and I have the bag. So her job is to tell me what in this image, in the bag image, is not right. There's something wrong with this image. And this is why I want to tell people who do AI art, even though you make the art and you still have to go over it because all it takes is a split second to realize that, say like you did a whole project and you completed everything and then you go to look at your work that you finished and realize that your design has flaws, but you completed the whole entire project. That's why when you do AI work, you need to pay attention, go over your work before you put your stuff together. So, Nevaeh, you are up now, and I want you to look at both of these images, and I want you to point out which you see wrong.
The glasses.
What is wrong with the glasses?
The lens is missing.
Correct. And what's wrong and what's the difference on this box?
There's a full lenses.
That's right. Lenses. So it took us at least 5 minutes before she was able to identify what was wrong with the image. So again, AI could be a blessing. AI could be a lesson. It's all how you choose to use it. And remember, when you are doing your AI work, you still have to go over it. You still have to look at it before you assemble. You see? So, this is my tutorial, my lesson for today. Even though AI is taking off as far as crafting, you still have to go over the work because like this here, put it all together and guess what? The guy's eye does not, his glasses doesn't have the lenses. All right. So happy crafting, everyone. Happy weekend. June is getting here and party season is getting ready to take off. So happy party season to everyone. Have a good rest of your afternoon.